Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, let's speak plainly and let's speak truth. For over 400 years, African Americans, black people, have been targeted by some of the most cruel and calculated crimes in United States history. From the moment that we were kidnapped from our land and forced into the nightmare of slavery, our existence in this country has been marked with injustice, with trauma, and struggle. We were stripped of our names, our language, our country, our God, our dignity, and treated like property, bred like animals, whipped, hung, raped, murdered. And after slavery, we were promised freedom, but the chains took a different form. From black code to Jim Crow to segregation to lynching to redlining to school to prison pipelines to police brutality to voter suppression to systematic racism, the crimes just didn't stop. They evolved. And they evolved to the negative for us in ways that are almost unforgivable. But here's the truth, and they don't teach this in schools. Despite all that was done to destroy us, we did not break. We fought, we survived, and we rose. Our ancestors turned cotton fields into classrooms. They turned struggle into strength. They turned oppression into opportunity. They marched, they resisted, and they led revolutions in spirit, in science, in music, in law, in literature, in business, and in faith. We gave this country its rhythm, its soul, its conscience, its evolution, from Crispus Attucks, the first to fall in the American Revolution, to today's innovators, educators, entrepreneurs, leaders. We've been here, contributing, building, and leading. They've burned our towns, our cities, and our communities. But we've been here, building, contributing, and leading. We've given the world the courage of Harriet Tubman, the brilliance of George Washington Carver, the elegance and eloquence of Frederick Douglass, the strength of Rosa Parks, the dream of Martin Luther King, the fire of Malcolm X, the legacy of Thurgood Marshall, the leadership of Barack Obama, and it goes on and on. All kinds of countless men and women, black men and women, who have contributed greatly to this nation. So men, women, youth, who will not, and we have men, women, and youth who will not be silenced or stripped or stopped. We will continue to fight and to become the best people that we can become, despite all of the injustices that are put upon us. So let's be clear. We are not defined by what has been done to us. We are defined by what continues to be the spirit and inspires us to move forward and continue in spite of all of the injustices that have been put upon us. We have every reason to be angry, but more than that, we have every reason to be proud. We are the descendants of survivors, of warriors, of kings, of queens. We carry the legacy of greatness in our bones and the brilliance in our blood. So, my black brothers and sisters, never let this country or anyone in it tell you who you are. Never let anyone steal your joy, and never let anyone disrespect you. You are not less. You are not invisible. You are not powerless. You are a force. You are a light. You are history. You are future. You are also present. And those who still deny justice know this. We see you. They see you. We remember. And we will not stop until justice rolls down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream. So, we are proud, we are powerful, and we are unstoppable. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Live your dream. Fight your fight. Don't ignore what's going on around you. Pay attention. Keep your eyes open. And understand that the truth will always come through. No matter how they try to hide it, no matter how they try to smoke it over or gloss it over or make believe that it didn't happen. It's happened. Stand proud, stand with respect, and don't let anybody mistreat you. And don't wait for somebody else to take action for you. Do what you need to do to move forward in your life. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Again, stay strong, stay proud, stay powerful. Take care and have a great day.